Mr. George.
Mr. George, how much you pay for that new guy? Oh, too much money. $15 an hour, too much money.
Try one more time.
Let me go lift it.
Be careful, bro.
Yeah.
So this cast iron gonna go into somebody's head.
This is, you're having kitchen downstairs eating and you get a cast iron to the head.
Imagine
They
this.
can die. Lift this is heavy, bro.
Both
This-
house for 700,000 and get killed by cast iron. Yeah, we support this guy until tomorrow. We'll see how much it drops.
Super solid. Now,